Imagine finding a legend buried under rust and dust, forgotten by time. But what if I told you this story isn't over yet? This isn't just a car, it's a piece of history, a 1955 Jaguar XK140MC. Decades ago, it turned heads with its stunning curves and a roar that sent chills down your spine. But today, it's nothing more than a shadow of its former glory. Most people would call it junk, but to us, it's a second chance. Every dent, every scratch tells a story, and we're about to rewrite the ending. From painstakingly restoring its 3.4-liter powerhouse to reviving its luxurious leather interior, this is more than just a restoration, it's a resurrection. And trust me, when you see the final transformation, you won't believe your eyes. Stick around, because this Jaguar is about to roar again.